Hi, this course, Parts of Speech Made Simple, by Dr. Victor G. Teves, is a series of videos discussing the different parts of speech. In this video, we will discuss the gender of nouns. Gender of nouns. Gender is the property of a noun that indicates whether it refers to a male or a female or neither a male nor a female. There are four genders of nouns: masculine, male; feminine, female; neuter, neither male nor female; and common, does not indicate whether male or female. Examples of masculine nouns are dog, father, duke, brother, king, man, John, rooster. Examples of feminine nouns are mother, duchess, queen, woman, aunt, nun, sister, niece. Examples of neuter gender: book, pencil, table, lamp, light, bag, car, rock, river, house, chair, glass. Examples of common gender: teacher, friend, athlete, student, artist, doctor, nurse, dentist, bird, musician, writer, child. Ways of indicating the masculine and feminine genders of nouns. Many masculine nouns become feminine by adding ess. For example, lion becomes lioness, heir becomes heiress, patron becomes patroness, count, countess, baron, baroness, steward, stewardess, host, hostess. Some masculine nouns become feminine by changing the ending er to ress. For example, waiter becomes waitress, tiger becomes tigress, porter, portress, chanter, chantress, enchanter, enchantress, mister, mistress. Some masculine nouns become feminine by changing the ending or to ress. For example, director, directress, sculptor, sculptress, proprietor, proprietress, benefactor, benefactress, aviator, aviatress, actor, actress, janitor, janitress, conductor, conductress, malefactor, malefactress, editor, editress. Some masculine nouns require more changes before adding the ess. For example, duke becomes duchess, emperor becomes empress. Some masculine nouns become feminine by adding a, ette, or te. Melcher becomes melchora, sultan becomes sultana, debutante, debutante, fiancé, fiancé, major, majorette, usher, usherette, cadet, cadet, Anton, Antoinette. A few masculine nouns become feminine by adding ine or ina. For example, hero becomes heroine, Paul becomes Pauline, Joseph, Josephine, czar, czarina, czar, czarina. The male and female of many nouns are denoted by words that are very much different from each other. For example, brother, sister, father, mother, king, queen, bull, cow, drake, duck, gander, goose. Here are more examples. Earl becomes countess. Fox becomes vixen. Boar becomes sow. Dog becomes bitch. Wizard becomes witch. There is no distinction of gender for very young animals, fowls or humans, such as puppy, calf, kitten, baby, duckling, piggy, suckling, child, chick, birdie, cub, toddler. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to be notified of new lessons. Click the subscribe button now. Want to help me create more free courses? How about buying me a cup of coffee on Ko-Fi? Scan the QR code to visit my Ko-Fi page.